How's it going, guys? Got another DIY video here. This one's on how to install a towel bar. I know it's real simple, but some people don't know how to do it. Also have a trick for you guys. So I don't know if a lot of people know or not, but there's actual template on the back. So if you just cut this template out, pretty simple. And now you have a guide, and now there's no guessing on if your bar is going to match your other bar. You pretty much just set that against the wall, drill your 2 holes, and then bam, you got your exact marks. So how I'm going to do it, get this out of the package. So you have some hardware in the box. So what I do here, I'll take my template, this is where it's going in this bathroom. It's kind of weird, but small bathroom is the only spot for it. You set my template. Drill my first hole. Now generally you want these to go in a stud, which I may have one. Just get it straight. You could use a level if you want. Fortunately, there's no studs right there. Okay, now my 2 holes are visible. I'm just going to take my drill and widen these holes a little. That way I can take these little pieces, put them in. Go ahead and put my first one in. And with these, it's just a hole in the center, so I just put 1 screw. Look at that, we got a stud. Okay. And you don't want to have, depending on which type you buy, there's some that come with screws on either side, which those are real simple. There's some that come with a little tiny flathead at the bottom, which is hidden once you place it on the right way. Just take a little tiny screwdriver, flathead. You want to get it loosened to where you can't see it on this side. I like to get one in place. Tighten as much as you can. Then I'll grab the bar. You want to stick the bar in it first, because if you put these 2 pieces on and then try to put your bar, there's no way you can do it. So you want to put your bar on one of them, connect it to this other side. You want to bring it down on this one. Oh yeah, I forgot to loosen this one. loosen it so you can get it on. That side on. You can go ahead and tighten this. There you guys go. Real easy, simple way to install a shower bar. If you guys want any other videos, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to do them for you guys. As far as that, that's all we got today. Thank you.